got the tranny up to over 180 degrees. Gonna check and see. Oh, I'm gonna check and see how these nylon things are doing that I put on. We're hoping that those nylon washers, the ones that I talked about in the previous video. Oh man, it's hot under here. We're hoping that it all worked out and that there's no leaks. I just took it out and drove it on the highway. Let it get real hot. No leaks. That is the that's what I welded on yesterday. Is that blurry? What is with this fucking phone? Jesus. This phone sucks sometimes. Anyway, I don't know, from where I'm sitting it looks blurry. That's the thing I stick welded on yesterday. It's got no leaks. None of my nylon deals seem to be leaking. They all seem to be good. So anyone who might have been wondering if they were going to melt out of there or something, the tranny did get up to about 190. And they're all good. So that's it.